how to fix the add friend is not showing up on Facebook. Now, there is a couple things you need to know first, and that is, for one, if that person is a public figure, like for example Mark Zuckerberg, you can see that there is a follow button and not an add friend button. And this will appear there for public figures and stuff like that. So that is one thing that why the add friends is not showing up. The second thing could be that if you go to settings and then go to privacy, maybe that person that you want to send a friend request to or click on add friend is in the blocked list. You might have blocked that person, or maybe that person has you blocked, and that's why you can't add that friend. And then the last thing that might be a problem is if you go to privacy settings and then scroll a bit down, and then right there it says who can send you friend requests. Now for me it's set on friends of friends. That means that nobody except a friend of a friend can send me a friend request. So maybe you or that person has this turned on, and to fix that you can just click on everyone. So those are three things that might fix this problem. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.